Howdy, hey folks. I'm out here at a new fishing spot and I just found some sort of lure up here in a tree. I'm gonna get my pole out, see if we can get it. Here we go. Alley-oop. Nope. Okay, I think I'm on the hook. Oh, there we go. Walk it on back. No! At least it's kind of attached to this branch. Aha! Victory! Sweet deal. Oh wow, it's a fancy boy. No, yep, there you go. Bass Pro. Some kind of a spinner and a clip that goes with it. Let's get it cleaned up and let's fish it. Man, it is really wound up. There we go. That looks a little better. Rubber's really coming off it though, man. Let's see how it fishes. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna be fighting the wind quite a bit here, but we're gonna get out and see what we can catch with this. Got it all strapped on here. See what it looks like in the water. Little blade looks good, and you know, the rubber's kind of okay too, I think. Little rubber legs. We'll see. This is super shallow and I've seen a bunch of carp out here, but could be something else lurking. Honestly, it just feels good to be out. There's a carp right there. Maybe. It's a tire. No way. I think there's another old decoy washed up here. Let's check it out. The wind's pulling me right over there, so that's good. Oh my gosh, I think it is. That is amazing. Ah, no head. I can't believe I just saw this up on the bank over there, came over. It's got no head, but that's pretty sweet. It's a 1994 Artline Incorporated number 6077 with no head. Yeah, still fun. Oh boy, I think I see the end of a fishing pole jammed down into these trees. We're just gonna blast right up in here and see what we got. Doesn't look like it has a reel on it, so maybe somebody just threw it overboard. Let's see what we can see here. Man, I can't quite get it. Oh, maybe if I do this. There we go. At least we cleaned up a little trash today. Ah, Ozark Trail. There you go. Snapped right off. Oh well. This rod I'm using is a Fluger Try-On, and it was a combo that even before I started filming Find and Fish, I was still collecting whatever fishing gear I could find. And I came up on this on the side of a lake. It had just floated up there from someone's boat or something. It's been a sweet little rod. The end was broken off, so I've just been using it with the end snipped off. Works totally fine. Oh, that felt like a nibble, but it could have just been a stick. I'll pretend it's a nibble though. Oh, I think that's just a stump. Ooh. Oh, I can see it right underneath the water there. That's good. Whenever I lose a lure that's definitely like within length of my rod, it's probably not a good thing to do. This is a trash rod anyways. I reel down to the end, push into it. There it is. Will it blow your guides up? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's not good for your rod, but pretty easy to get your lures back. Well, folks, that's all the time I have for today. But thanks so much for coming along with me, and I'll catch you next time.